Hello everyone, today we are going to look into ICP, Ideal Customer Profile, understand what is Ideal Customer Profile and who use Ideal Customer Profile, where is it used, and also finally how are we going to design our own ICP. And when it comes to what is ICP, Ideal Customer Profile, it's nothing but it's a focus mechanism. Okay, the focus mechanism is nothing but it's a criteria based upon which you'll be able to evaluate if a company is something that you will have to target, is something that you will have to focus to get as a customer or not. So this criteria usually consists of these attributes like company size, revenue, industry, geography, or technography, such as technography, what kind of technological solutions or the systems are they using inside the organization, and also the kind of business model organizations are into, any fundraising that has been done recently, or even the kind of problems that these businesses specifically try to solve. So that these are the some certain usual attributes that we look in ICP. And where is ICP used? ICP is used in designing messages and also getting the list of accounts that you have to focus on. And the third thing is that prioritizing these accounts, or how do you prioritize these accounts? By scoring them. If you have a list of 100 accounts, then you score them based upon these attributes. And also there are other attributes as well which can be useful in scoring these accounts. And this scoring will help you in prioritizing accounts, and then your sales and marketing team can work accordingly. And also ICP helps you in devising your marketing strategy, also sometimes in devising your marketing tactics as well. Who use ICP, Ideal Customer Profile? Your marketing team, your sales team, and your customer success team as well. Now let's come to how to design your own Ideal Customer Profile. The very first thing that we'll have to do in designing our own Ideal Customer Profile is that you have to define what is your success criteria. And how would a success criteria look like in a B2B SaaS based organization? Is ACV, what is the annual contract value, and what is the cost of customer acquisition, and what is the customer lifetime value, or what is the retention, or retention in other terms you can call it as cross-selling as well, and also what is the ease of conversion, and what is the bottom line that we are able to bring on, and retention on the other side we can look at the churn rate also. So these are the some of the attributes that you can look at while defining your defining your success criteria. Once you have this criteria, try to collect all your past data, all your customers data with all these attributes, and including these as well. Then you will have an understanding, then you will try to analyze the data in such a way that what kind of companies, on what kind of industry, what kind of geographical location, or what kind of business model companies are giving us a high ACV or high retention, or what is the ease of conversion with whom. So in this way you will be able to understand what is the sweet spot of your focus, or something that you will have to scale up. What is working most of the times? Like you will have to focus 100 times on what 70% of the times is working. Let's say that you see that certain industry, you have more conversions, they are happening very easily and giving high ACV, and that is the industry that you will have to focus more on, or be it geography or anything. This is how you can design your ICP.